Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Renshuu personalized Japanese learning that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store, and in here search in Renshuu. Make sure to spell it correctly. Here it is. And before we open this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So contents at every level, even the basics. Rich word lists with pictures and audio. Evolve your own character as you learn. Practice your writing with fun feedback. Crosswords for every Japanese level. Japanese games with our battle system. 1000s of handmade grammar questions. Kanji lists with mnemonics and more. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. So while waiting for it to complete, again, I just want to let you know that a cute, ad-free, and enjoyable learning experience is waiting for you in the Renshuu community. The free version is unlimited. There's no timer before you are forced to pay. So a path for every learner style and every goal, whether you are getting started with the alphabets or have been studying for years, jump in exactly where you belong. Don't waste time going through what you already know, so you can jump from one lesson to another. Cute, relaxing, and fun. Personal service, rich, in-depth material, vocabulary, over 15,000 native recorded audio files, 17,000 hand-picked images, and 160,000 example sentences make understanding vocabulary a breeze. So it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so so we're here, and as you can see, so I'm Kao, and I'm supposed to help you with your Japanese, but I'm still stuck in my egg. So mind answering a few questions. Okay, studying for proficiency, studying with a textbook, learn on my own. So let's go with the learning on my own. And ready to start with the basics. Alphabets I have studied. Hiragana, katakana. Can you form simple sentences? Let's just, since I've been studying Japanese for quite some time now, let me just go with the I have studied hiragana, katakana. Okay, that one. English, yes. Dark colors, that's good. Alright, so I have done setting up the basics and starter words. Welcome to the summary for this schedule. You can see a breakdown of materials you've studied, haven't learned, etc. See those blue numbers, tap them to see the terms for that category. Okay, let's tap it. Okay, so this is Iro, color. If you tap this one here, you will hear it. This one, it's Iro. The rainbow has 7 colors. Nijiwa, the rainbow has 7 colors. Nijiwa nanatsu iro da. Okay. Atama, head, sentences. So compact, full basics. Let me just go with the basics. So in here in settings, you can go to lesson center. There, you can make your own lesson. And games, if you want to play games while learning Japanese, you can also do that as well. So community, pro, and then sign out. So if you upgrade to pro, then you will be able to unlock all of the contents available for this app. And this one here is settings. Yeah, learn Japanese index. So let me go to grammar. Okay, Japanese grammar. The grammar library contains 672 grammar expressions covering 867 usages. Okay, then JLPT. So tap the JLPT, and then there we can select any of the categories in here. So N1, N2, and N3. Alright, let's start with N5. And then expressions. Okay. View expression, all groups. So present, non-past, casual. So he eats bread. Kare wa pan o taberu. There. casual present and past. So this is very important, especially if you're learning Japanese. You have to learn the grammar, Japanese grammar, the N5 to N1 JLPT. The child is sick and won't go to school. Kodomo ga byoki dattara gakko ni ikanai. So if you wanna listen to this particular sentence, just tap this one here and you will be able to. Since I'm using the microphone, I'm not able to. Just tap that one and you should be able to listen. Amari, then nine, not very, doesn't do very much. So this ramen isn't very delicious. Kono ramen wa amari oishiku nai ne. Ka is the question with the sentence there. Kono party wa itsu. Let's try asking a friend when this party is. So kono party wa itsu nano ka tomodachi ni kite miyo. So you can go with it, starting from the basics up to the advanced level if you want to. Ga hoshi. So when I was a child, I wanted a horse. Kodomo no toki uma ga suki. Uma ga hoshikatta desu. So homepage, if you want to go back to your homepage. And then this one here. There, close. So word, you can search the word kanji, then grammar, sentences. So there, you can search any particular word. And let me just go back to starter words, kanji index, Japanese index, Japanese basics. So if you're new to Japanese, then try the basics first before going to the advanced level. Hiragana and katakana, you should start from here and then continue with the kanji. Okay, let's go with that next. Okay, I'm already able to read that. So let me just skip that part and learn the other grammar library. So I prefer the grammar library and also this one here, JLPT and the study levels. Let me try the intermediate and then all groups, let's say particles. You can go by categories or you can just open the all groups. Relative clause, oops. So 209 expressions. So there, the relative clause. The B and A, the B that A, similar to this construction in English, the boy who ate pizza, or the book that he bought. Okay, so the sushi I ate yesterday was the best. Kino tabeta sushi wa saiko datta. Directly to the grammar library and you will have all of this information. So kana, and then you can search it or you can open the JLPT levels. So just play along with the levels, the JLPT levels. Look for the phrases, sentences that you are interested to learn to enhance more, and then you can go to a more advanced, the study levels, and so on. So that's how you use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.